All right, everybody, I am super excited to be reviewing these shoes by LI-NING. These are the LI-NING Way of Wade All City 12 Encore shoes. In my opinion, these are the very pinnacle of this basketball shoes, and heck, even pickleball shoes if you want to be able to display with these. And I'll go into the main reasons why after wearing these for over 6 months. And I've got to say, these are the best basketball shoes I've worn, this in general. So let's jump right into it on the reasoning why. The reason why I think these are one of the best is these are, if you're looking for a balanced basketball shoe with crazy traction, I mean crazy traction, with very good cushioning, these are it. These are one of the best ones out there. And I'm going to go into detail on why, in my opinion, these are better than the more popular Nike or even Jordan models. So let's jump right into it. These shoes basically came out in August 2024. They're about 150 bucks, but you can find these pairs heavily discounted online. I checked on Amazon. I will leave a link down below in the description if you're looking to purchase these off Amazon. The price is phenomenal, much lower than what I paid for it. And these are basically low top performance models. These are the Dwayne Wade LI-NING lines. They're designed to work for either in the basketball sense, guards, wings, or even bigger players who still move a lot on the perimeter. They're very quick. They're shifty. Guards who relies on hard cuts. So if you're slashing, if you're going side to side, these are phenomenal. And the protection on these. Let me go ahead and show you here the type of foam. This is a very durable foam that they put on this. Amazing cushioning, guys. Phenomenal cushioning on these shoes. I would say they're much more comfortable than majority of the basketball shoes out there. And I was talking about the traction, so let's jump right into the traction right here, right below it. The traction, this is one of the biggest reasons to buy the shoe. This is a specific rubber. And by the way, like I told you, I've been wearing these for over 6 months. This uses a very sticky rubber outsole with multi-directional patterns. As you can see here, the grips really well in indoor courts and even bites through dust once you break it in. And I can attest to that because I use these for pickleball as well. And these really grip well on outdoor courts. So I would say the traction is phenomenal, even if you compare it to some of the best setups I've tried since flow style outsoles. Like I said, the rubber is more durable than it looks, but the grooves are in the shallow side. So long-term outdoor only hoopers might want to get something a little more rugged, but this is, I mean, hands down for indoor playing, nothing comes close to these. Nothing. The cushioning, it has the full-length boom foam, they call it. So this is boom foam is basically the LI-NING's premium cushioning, and this is basically where the shoe really shines. And is this bouncy? Is responsive? It has excellent impact protection, while giving you really above average court feel, so you don't feel disconnected from the floor. And a lot of other testers out there even call this one of the best, most balanced cushioning setups on the market right now, even today of this video in 2026. So that's really got to tell you something. The materials in general, let me go and switch it up over here. Really breathable fabric, soft textile. You've got leather overlays right here, extra long tongue right here in the back, very nice and cushioned. The materials are basically really premium. They're comfortable, they're light, easy to break in quickly. And I've got to say, like I said, the breathability on these are just phenomenal. So it's really nice when you're in a hot gym or you're playing long runs. The main complaint of these is the tongue. I haven't really had an issue with the tongue, but some reviewers out there have. They feel is a bit thin. which can lead to lace biting if you crank the laces too tight, which I can attest to that. When I do wear these and I put the laces tight, I do feel it a little bit more on the feet. Fit and sizing, it does fit a little bit snug. It's a performance-oriented shoe, just know that. And it favors narrow to regular width feet. So if you want a little bit extra room, you can go, this is a half size up, that's fine. Stability and support, this is another one of the strong suits of these shoes. Let me go ahead and move it over here. You get a torsional shank, a firm heel counter right here on the back of it. Let me go and twist it over here on the side. And I like this. This is like a nice fabric here they put on there. They really did a phenomenal job on this shoe. And there's this minimal, no heel slippage, no issues with side-to-side movement, even for heavy players. The durability, like I said, outdoors, still has done a phenomenal job on the traction. Pricing, this is one of the best pricing shoes out there. Gives you phenomenal cushion, phenomenal traction. Breathability is amazing. And to be honest, compared to the Nikes and Jordans, this even beats them out of the park. I would pick these any time of the day. I'm not worried about branding. I don't care about branding, but Li-Ning has done this for many, many decades. They've been in the shoe business for a very long time. But overall, I think these are one of the best ones. So with that said, if you guys would like any other questions for me to answer, please feel free to comment down below with those questions. I'm happy to answer it here on the channel. If you'd like me to review another type of Li-Ning shoe, feel free to comment down below. I know a lot of hikers out there would like to see what kind of hiking shoes are out there. I am reviewing a variety of different sneakers here on the channel, so feel free to subscribe with the notification button so you are alerted of those videos. But overall, these are just beautiful looking shoes, really good in terms of this all around. And I hope that this is helpful. With that said, thanks for watching. Press the like button, subscribe with the notification bell. And again, I'll leave a link down below in the description if you'd like to purchase these. Thanks.